So we created the Brave Skill Up Days for the seniors. It's a 6-day mini conference for seniors to hear about industry professionals on various career paths, as well as give them some money management skills.
I'm with Arrowhead Credit Union, and we're here today at Norte Vista High School to talk a little bit about credit and loan basics.
Today's objective is going to be to educate these students more on credit basics, loan basics, knowing what it is, why it's important, and how it impacts them directly.
Hi, my name is Faustino. I'm a senior here at Norte Vista. I want to be able to open my own construction business. It's something that I've thought about for a while. So just knowing how to manage my credit and any loans that I might need to take out, or like for my company, just whatever it may be, I know how to like do it properly. I know how to go about it the right way. I realize how important it is for business.
I think having financial literacy in high school is good because you start learning how to build credit and just how to handle money at a young age, which also sets you up for success later in life.
I believe they should definitely keep offering this because many kids come to high school not knowing what to do or not knowing what they want to do after school, and it's very important that you get to do what you want to do.
By attending these sessions, they can better understand what they want to do with their life, and they can decide, oh, like I want to become an accountant, or I want to become a travel agent, or maybe they don't want to do that and they want to go into the trades like construction, which we also heard.
There were 3 speakers per day, and the students got to choose between attending the 3 sessions, so they went to 2 out of the 3. And the reason why we chose to do this is to expose them to some life skills, give them guidance as they get ready to graduate and go into the real world.
I think this whole experience helped broaden my perspective, like paint a bigger picture of different career paths you could take after high school. It isn't like you're stuck in one career path, like you want to be a firefighter or something. You could see like different things that are like aligned with that.
My favorite one was probably the traveling one because I kind of do want to explore the world more and go to places I have never been at.
My first impression about the whole senior skill up day was cool, I guess. It was very interesting learning about all the different subjects they talked about and getting more information about their personal lives and how they got to where they are right now. And I think it's very inspiring to other people.
Me personally, my favorite one was an auto mechanic one because I've always liked, working with cars and stuff.
And the one that stood out to me the most was probably the automotive one because I have an interest in cars and it helped me see all the job opportunities that they had there.
I really enjoyed the military workshop because I've been wanting to do military for a few years now, but the more information I learned about it that day, it made me just more cement my reason to go into the military.
I like kind of coming back and talking to students just to bring light on different industries that don't get as much light as being a teacher or being a doctor. I like coming back because I grew up in Riverside. I like connecting with younger generation. I feel like it's important to bring light into industries that or jobs specifically that don't get the limelight or aren't kind of as brought up to when you're in high school or middle school. So I find that very valuable and very rewarding for me.